Dude, I am so disappointed at the Attack on Titan fandom. What has been this the third or the fourth or maybe the fifth time that this is actually happening? At this point, I'm just so disappointed with this fandom. It's literally ruining such a great anime series. But for those of you who are not aware as to what exactly I'm talking about, well, today, during the telecast of episode 14 of Attack on Titan season 4, there was an interruption by none other than the official broadcasting corporation of Japan. I don't exactly know what the name of it is, but it was in relation to an emergency broadcast which resulted in the interruption of the episode, and that is because of an earthquake. A pretty severe earthquake came to Japan, and as such, the broadcasting agency or whatever broadcasting corporation there is, that interrupted the Attack on Titan scheduled program in order to broadcast an emergency message warning the people of Japan about this earthquake and the subsequent fear of a tsunami. This is not something new for Japan. Japan has been an earthquake-prone country, so these kinds of emergency public broadcasts are very important, and that will take priority over whatever is being telecasted currently on the television. That has always been the norm, and it's not just Japan, this happens everywhere across the world. But as usual, these are Attack on Titan fans we are talking about. This fandom has literally gotten so rotten that I just don't even understand. This is probably the fourth or the fifth controversy. I don't even remember the number because it's so damn frustrating. In the prior episode, we saw how people were complaining and literally harassing the staff of MAPPA because of their quote-unquote bad animation, and then everything happened with the sound production and design, and shit like that has been happening for such a long time. This fandom is just not able to grasp anything. Now here I'm not explicitly stating that I do not like dark jokes or dark humor. That's fine to a certain extent. But here this is not at all applicable. Here we saw literally so many quote-unquote fans who were spamming and joking about this entire thing, and how they were equating all of this to the rumbling of Attack on Titan. Just shut your mouth, man. Just shut your mouth. This is a real life situation. It has got no link to whatever anime you are currently watching. Don't be so absorbed in that anime that you are not able to differentiate between the worth of a real human being. It's just so damn sad. And once again, the Attack on Titan fandom is showing its ugly side here, and it's just so damn depressing and disappointing as a whole. So let me just conclude this video by summarizing the entire situation here once again. Well, what happens here is that during the 18th minute mark of Attack on Titan season 4 episode 14, the broadcast was interrupted during the Jaeger scene because an emergency telecast had to take place in order to warn the people of Japan about the earthquake and an impending tsunami. So I just hope that everyone is safe and sound here. The life and worth of real people is much more important than any anime or any anime character whatsoever. So this telecast was absolutely much more important than any Attack on Titan episode whatsoever. So please try to understand the situation and stop making unnecessary jokes in order to make yourself look cool. You're not looking cool. I'm sorry to say, but this is not cool at all. This is simply stupid and irresponsible as hell. Moreover, just a quick information in this particular regard, this episode has been currently postponed and it is not going to be telecasted today on Funimation and Crunchyroll. Let's just hope for the best and let's hope that everyone is safe and sound. This episode can come later on, it's totally fine.